Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs Today. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 15 MCQ of 3rd of June 2021. Before we begin, quiz. Bihar is said to become the country's first state to have two green energy efficient towns in which two places. Assam Rifle observed its Witch Raising Day on March 24. Sankalp campaign has been started by which state to control the spike in cases of corona infection? Lok Sabha has passed the Marine Aids to Navigate Bill 2021. The bill will replace which act? Pilibhit Tiger Reserve is located in which state? Praneeth is the name of an e-tendering portal launched by Power Grid Corporation of India. Where is the headquarters of Power Grid Corporation of India Limited? Which ministry has launched Poshan Abhiyan for elderly to provide nutrition supports to the indigent elders? Under Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, Tripura has been paired with which state? Which state has launched summer campaign to tackle malnutrition in the state? Farmers of which state has launched fresh fruit cake movement? So let's discuss the answers. So Bihar is said to become the two places are Rajgir and Bodh Gaya. Rajgir and Bodh Gaya. Assam observed its 186th Rising Day. Sankalp campaign has been launched by Madhya Pradesh. Lok Sabha will have Lighthouse Act 1927. Pilibhit Tiger Reserve is located in Uttar Pradesh. Headquarters of Power Grid Corporation of India is in Gurugram. Poshan Abhiyan has been launched by Social Justice Empowerment Minister Thawar Chand Gehlot. Tripura has been paired with Bihar under Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. Summer campaign has been launched by Jharkhand. Fresh fruit cake movement has been launched by Maharashtra government. So this was the quiz. Let's start our today's current affairs. Telangana will celebrate its statehood day on 2nd of June, in which year it became 29th state of India. So 29th state of India, Telangana has become the state in 2014 and it has been carved out from Andhra Pradesh. If you know, the 25th state of India was Goa. Recently celebrated their statehood day on 30th of May. If you talk about Odisha, observed its statehood day on 1st of April. Maharashtra and Gujarat observe their statehood day on 1st of May. Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram observed their statehood day on 20th of Feb. And one more is there, Rajasthan. Don't forget this. 30th of March. They celebrate their statehood day on 30th of March. If you talk about Telangana has recently launched, Chief Minister is KC Rao, and who is the Governor? Tamilisai Soundararajan. And if you talk about Chief Justice of Telangana High Court, Hema Kohli. And Tamilisai Soundararajan is also the additional governor to Puducherry, the Union Territory of India. Which country has announced a three-child policy? Three-child policy has been recently launched by China. China's capital is Beijing. Beijing is the capital of China. Already China has one child policy, but in 2016 they have launched two child policy. Two child policy was launched in 2016, but now in 2021 they launched three child policy. Three child policy just to increase the population of China. Government has took this decision. Which state has launched Ghar Ghar Aushadhi Yojana? So what is this? This is doorstep medicine herbs, and this has been launched by Rajasthan government. Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot has launched this Ghar Ghar Aushadhi Yojana. If you talk about Rajasthan, they celebrate their Statue Day on 30th of March, and recently they have launched Chiranjeevi Yojana, and they have recently launched Jan Aushadh Pakwada, and we have Sambar Salt Lake. Sambar Salt Lake is in Rajasthan. You should remember two persons from Rajasthan. One is Jagannath Pahadia, and second one is Ritika Fogart. If you know this, she is a sports player. Jagannath Pahadia was the former Chief Minister of Rajasthan, recently passed away. Jagannath Pahadia was the former Chief Minister of Rajasthan, recently passed away, and Ritika Fogart is also from Rajasthan, and she also passed away recently. And who is the Chief Minister of Rajasthan? Ashok Gehlot. And who is the governor? You have to comment in below. Which among the following national park is located in Karnataka? Panna National Park is located in Madhya Pradesh. Simlipal is in Odisha. And we have Bhatir Kanika also, which was recently in news. Bhatir Kanika National Park is also in Odisha. Sundarban is in West Bengal. And Bannerghatta is in Karnataka. Not only Bannerghatta, we have Bandipur National Park and Kudremukh National Park and Anshi National Park. One more is there. Kudremukh, Bandipur, Nagarhole National Park. So these five national parks are in Karnataka. Who is the Chief Minister of Karnataka? B.S. Yediyurappa. And who is the governor? Governor is Vajubhai Wala. And who is the Chief Justice of Karnataka High Court? His name is something Abhay. I don't know his full name. Abhay and something name is there. If you remember, then comment me below. Alpana Bandyopadhyay appointed as new advisor to the Chief Minister of which state? So Alpana Bandyopadhyay appointed new advisor to the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee. Mamata Banerjee. Recently, she has won the election from in West Bengal for the third time. He became the Chief Minister. And who is the Governor of West Bengal? Jagdeep Dhankar. Jagdeep Dhankar is the Governor of West Bengal. If you talk about West Bengal government has launched Ma scheme. And we have Buxa Tiger Reserve, Sundarban National Park, Jaldapara National Park, Gurumara National Park, Neora Valley National Park, and recently United Cooperative Bank of West Bengal. Recently, RBI has cancelled this bank's license. And if you talk more about West Bengal, there is one train called Methali Express, which will run from Bangladesh, Dhaka to West Bengal's Jalpaiguri. So remember, this train will run from West Bengal to from Bangladesh Dhaka to West Bengal's Jalpaiguri. Who has been appointed as next ambassador of India to Iceland? So he is Bisham. Bisham has been appointed as next ambassador of India to Iceland. Muktesh Pardasi, he is India's ambassador to New Zealand. Ajit Vinay Gupte, Egypt. Egypt. Denmark, Pooja Kapoor, Denmark. What is the capital of Denmark? Copenhagen. Egypt, Cairo. New Zealand, Wellington. New Zealand's capital is Wellington. You should know some more. Pradeep Kumar Yadav. Recently, he has been appointed as India's ambassador to Liberia. Don't confuse this name PK Yadav with PK Rawat. Pradeep Kumar Rawat is India's ambassador to Netherlands. So Pradeep Kumar Yadav is India's ambassador to Liberia, and Pradeep Kumar Rawat is India's ambassador to Netherlands. Alok Ranjan, he is India's ambassador to Belarus. Rajesh Vaishnav, he is India's ambassador to Morocco. And recently, India's ambassador to Suriname also. His name is something else. I don't know his name. Something else is there. If you know, just comment me below. Who has become the new chairman of National Human Rights Commission? So NHRC has appointed Arun Kumar Mishra is the new chairman of NHRC. So very important question. Who has won gold medal in men's 91 kg category at Asian Boxing Championship held in Dubai. So if you remember, in women's category, Pooja Rani has won gold medal in 75 kg category, and she is from Haryana. Remember this also. So now in men's category, Sanjit has won gold medal, and he is also from Haryana. Who is the CM of Haryana? Manohar Lal Khattar. Paul Skleycaster passed away recently. Was the former prime minister of which country? So he was a former prime minister of Denmark. So he was the prime minister for only 1 year and recently passed away. What is the capital? Copenhagen. And who is ambassador to Denmark? Pooja Kapoor is India's ambassador to Denmark. Which union minister has awarded by World Health Organization Director General Special Recognition Award for his accomplishment in the area of tobacco control? So he is Harshvardhan. So Harshvardhan has been awarded the World Health Organization Director General Special Recognition Award for his accomplishment in the area of tobacco control. So Harshvardhan's constituency is Chandni Chowk in New Delhi. So he is the Minister of Health and Family Welfare. So he has been awarded. Which cooperative bank's license has been cancelled by RBI? So recently, Shivajirao Bhosle Cooperative Bank's license has been cancelled by Reserve Bank of India. So you should know Bhagyodaya Friends Cooperative Bank's license has been cancelled. CKP Cooperative Mapusa Urban United Cooperative, and Vasant Dada Nagri, and one more, Shivam Sahakari. These banks' license has been cancelled by Reserve Bank of India. S.K. Majumdar has been appointed as Chief Finance Officer of which bank? So S.K. Majumdar has been appointed Chief Finance Officer of Canara Bank. Where is the headquarters of Canara Bank? Bangalore is the headquarters. And Canara Bank has been merged with Syndicate Bank. What about Punjab National Bank? Punjab National Bank with Oriental Bank of Commerce and one more bank, United Bank. Don't confuse with Union Bank, and became Punjab National Bank, the second largest bank of India in India. Union Bank, and Andhra Bank and Corporation Bank and became Union Bank of India. And Canara Bank, Syndicate Bank, both have merged. I will write it here. Canara and Syndicate. And Allahabad Bank, Indian Bank, both have merged together. And one more bank is there, Bank of Baroda, Dena Bank and Vijaya Bank, and became Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda's headquarters is in Vadodara. Punjab National Bank, Vadodara is in Gujarat. Punjab National Bank headquarters, New Delhi. State Bank of India, Mumbai. Union Bank of India, Mumbai. Allahabad Bank, Indian Bank became Indian Bank, and Indian Bank headquarters is in Chennai. Syndicate Bank, Canara Bank, Syndicate Bank became Canara, and Canara Bank headquarters is in Bangalore. We are talking about S.K. Majumdar. He is the CFO of Canara Bank. Canara Bank's MD is Lingam Venkat Prabhakar. So remember his name. Who is the managing director of PNB? S.S. Mallikarjun. And what about State Bank of India? Rajneesh Kumar. Am I correct? Okay. Who is the author of the book Savarkar, A Contested Legacy? So this book has been written by Vikram Sampath. Vikram Sampath is the author of this book, Savarkar. Who has been appointed as new president of CII, Confederation of Indian Industry? So he is T.V. Narendran. T.V. Narendran has been appointed as new president of Confederation of Indian Industry. So let's talk about IPL. IPL 2021 will be held in UAE, United Arab Emirates. If we talk about UAE, who is ambassador? Pawan Kapoor is India's ambassador to UAE. What is the capital? Abu Dhabi. In UAE, we have Barakah nuclear power plant. Remember this, Barakah nuclear power plant. So this is very important, Barakah nuclear power plant. And recently, UAE is sending Rashid Lunar rover to moon. So this is also very important. The UAE is sending Rashid lunar rover to moon. So this was the current affairs of 3rd of June. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and see you on 4th of June.